Confidence hack number 31, shark attacks in the zip code of adversity. Today's confidence boost comes through confidence through adverse situations. Hey, I'm David Nurse. I coach NBA players, CEOs, and high performers how to hack their confidence. If you want a daily boost of confidence directly to your inbox, go to my website, davidnurse.com. Sign up for free. Well, you will receive many more free gifts, a free ebook, videos, but you'll get a confidence boost directly to your inbox to start your morning off on the right, confident foot. Adversity isn't a zip code you live in. It's an event. Think about this right now in your life. All the difficult situations you have been through. Let that sink in. You have legitimately made it through every single adverse situation in your life. You're batting 1,000. Lift up your hands and look at your palms. Look at them. You probably have calluses, rough patches, maybe a few scars here and there. Your hands are daily living confidence proof that the next time adversity strikes, you will prevail. Trust me, you will. 13 years old and a budding phenomenon in the surfing world, Bethany Hamilton was on a meteoric rise to the top. The blonde flowing hair, the smooth ease cutting through the wave after wave as if she was slicing through a stick of warm butter. Bethany was unstoppable. However, Halloween 2003 would change her life forever. On this spooky day, Bethany and her friend Elena Blanchard, as well as Elena's father and brother, the foursome paddled out to catch waves at their home surfing spot of Tunnels Beach, Kauai. But they would not paddle back the same. What was set up to be a normal, routine surfing day turned out to be anything but. A 14-foot tiger shark latched onto Bethany's body, throwing her around like a rag doll. Adversity struck. Adversity that could have taken Bethany's life with one wrong move or one more chomp of the massive shark. Thinking quickly, the Blanchards grabbed Bethany and paddled her back to shore as quickly as possible. Massive blood loss was imminent. Quickly, Elena's father created a tourniquet out of a rash guard and tied it around Bethany's stump arm. It would delay the rapid bleeding long enough for the medics to rush in and arrive and take Bethany to the ER. Bethany survived, but her bright surfing career looked as murky as the water in that Halloween day. However, Bethany took a different approach. She decided that nothing, not even a missing arm, was going to hold her back from becoming the best surfer she could be. Within weeks, she was back in the water, slicing through waves as if nothing had happened. Bethany didn't let adversity hold her back. She grew stronger through it. As surfers greatly depend on their arms for body balance, Bethany developed an otherworldly sense of balance. In 2005, Bethany entered National Scholastic Surfing Association Championships and won the 18 and under division, overcoming all odds for the improbable, according to everyone else, but probable, according to Bethany, surfing title. Bethany went on to win an ESPY for Comeback Athlete of the Year, and her story was turned into a blockbuster Hollywood movie, Soul Surfer. There is a lot of confidence to be gained knowing that any adverse situation you are currently in or that happens in your future, you can absolutely make it through. And not just make it through, you can grow even stronger. Just like the palm tree, through an intense storm, it bends and it sways but never breaks. The roots actually grow even stronger as it's put through adversity. Be like the palm tree today and gain a confidence boost through knowing that you only become stronger through adversity. When you have your shark attack moments in life, I hope you're willing to try and give life your best shot. You too can overcome. Bethany Hamilton. Now, you know I'm really into optimization and how to stay the healthiest, the mind, the sharpest, longevity, everything. I'm a nut for that. And I haven't found anything, literally anything, that has more positive benefits and improvement effects on the mind and the body than the hyperbaric chamber. Elevate Health hyperbaric chambers. Well, what it does, it can speed up your recovery from an injury. There are so many documented cases with athletes and they're injured and it heals the tissue dramatically faster. Also for concussions and brain damage, it's the number one thing that I have heard and I have seen heal concussions, improves blood flow, reduces inflammation. That's just in the hyperbaric chambers, but Elevate Health is doing something different. They are the top recovery modality company. They have cryotherapy, they have saunas, light therapy, vibroacoustics, PEMF, compression therapy, polar recovery, and so much more. It is worth checking them out. Trust me, Elevate Health, ELEVE health.com. Let them know David Nurse sent you. They'll hook you up or contact me and let me know what you're interested in, and I can direct you in the right way there. ElevateHealth.com. Do not wait. This is proactive and not reactive. Get after it.